Hello bachcho, let's read this question. The question says how can we prepare dry ice and give its two uses. इस क्वेश्चन में हमसे पूछा गया है कि ड्राई आइस को कैसे प्रिपेयर किया जाता है और उसके हमें दो यूजेस बताने हैं. ठीक है, तो इस क्वेश्चन में हमारा मेन की कंसेप्ट क्या हो जाएगा, ड्राई आइस. सो हियर फर्स्ट वी राइट द key concept of this question is dry ice. Key concept of this question is key concept dry ice. ड्राई आइस किसे बोलते हैं? Solid form of carbon dioxide is called the dry ice. Dry ice is a solid carbon dioxide, and this dry ice is prepared by liquefaction of carbon dioxide. Prepare by liquefaction of carbon dioxide. So first it injecting it to a holding tank. Injecting it into holding tank where it's frozen at a temperature minus where frozen at temperature of minus 109 degree centigrade temperature, compressed into a solid ice. Compressed into solid ice. Compressed into solid ice. When the pressure of any gas increases, the space between the two molecules और एटम्स गेट रिड्यूस्ड. तो जितना ज्यादा प्रेशर अप्लाई करेंगे हम गैस के ऊपर, तो जो उसके मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं उनके बीच का जो गैप है वो क्या होगा, रिड्यूस होता जाएगा. तो हम यहाँ लिखेंगे व्हेन प्रेशर ऑन एनी गैस is increase, then space between the molecules or atoms gets reduced. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हमने देखा कि जो हमारी सॉलिड आइस है, ड्राई आइस है, वो कैसे प्रिपेयर हुई. ड्राई आइस इज अ solid carbon dioxide which is prepared by the liquefaction of gas. सबसे पहले क्या होगा, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को हम लिक्विड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करके एक होल्डिंग टैंक में इंजेक्ट करेंगे. ठीक है, होल्डिंग टैंक में इंजेक्ट करने के बाद उसे माइनस 109 डिग्री टेम्परेचर पे उसे फ्रोजन करेंगे. देन कंप्रेस्ड इनटू अ सॉलिड फॉर्म, उसको कंप्रेस करके हाई प्रेशर पे सॉलिड स्टेट में कन्वर्ट करके हमारा ड्राई आइस फॉर्म हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो compression of gas make it solid during this process and heat energy is released. Carbon dioxide compressed to get converted to solid waste. So here the compression make it solid. Compression make it solid, and during this process heat energy is released. During this process heat energy is released. Heat energy is released. Okay, and there are different uses of dry ice. The most important two uses of dry ice is as follows. First, accelerated plant growth. एक्सिलरेटेड प्लांट ग्रोथ को इंक्रीज करता है, ठीक है, प्लांट growth. So a small quantity of carbon dioxide will increase the growth rate of plant and allow the dry ice to sublimate in close proximity to the plant for 10 to 15 minutes daily. So small quantities of carbon dioxide increase the growth rate of plant. Small quantity of dry ice or carbon dioxide will increase the growth rate of plant, will increase the growth rate of plant and allow the dry ice to sublimate in close proximity this is proximity to the plant for 10 to 15 minutes daily. 10 to 15 minutes daily. And the second most important use of dry ice is asphalt cooling. Asphalt is used in making road construction. So using dry ice allow for delicate asphalt to stay at required temperature. Using dry ice allow for the delicate asphalt to stay at required temperature. During transport from manufacturing plant to job site or the construction site. Even more beneficial, using dry ice allow contractor to speed up the cooling process. Even more beneficial using dry ice allow contractors to speed up the cooling process cooling process so this is the two most important use of dry ice. First is the accelerated plant growth. Small quantity of dry ice or carbon dioxide will increase the growth rate of plant and it allow the dry ice to sublimate in close proximity to the plant for 10 to 15 minutes daily. ठीक है. Second use क्या है? Asphalt cooling. Using dry ice allow for the delicate asphalt to stay at required temperature during transport from manufacturing plants to the job site. So this is the important uses of dry ice, and here the preparation method for the dry ice. So hope you understood it well. Best of luck.